Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, and welcome back to another Animal Crossing video. We are making progress, okay? We are now Klaus's house. Klaus's home. Klaus's house. Why does that rhyme? His home is now moved. So now we can finally. Sorry, I'm trying to log into Blackboard. Zoom University. What was I saying? Now we can finally lay some pavement on the plots of home. Now I don't want to do that all on camera because that's going to take a long time. So I'm going to do that off camera, probably tonight. Hump Day on Cos Cove. That's what the title of this video is going to be. Everyone type clap in the comments below if you... Alright, let's see. I gotta go through all this also, I know. Oh, Mom! Okay. Now why does it sound like it's thundering? Alright, here we go. Maybe I should spend some time cleaning up my island, huh? Maybe just a possibility that I should do that. Alright. Oh my god, my reaction. Oh! Suckerfish. Thought it was a shark. Oh wait, now I got a sucker. Alright. Birdhouse. Pinball machine. I can sell the birdhouse. No, I'll keep the birdhouse. What does that look like? I'll keep that. I think I'm gonna, one of these days, I'm gonna just go through everything. Because... Alright, so, we have... So, yesterday we came to the conclusion that... Well, I came to the conclusion, not we, because... Whatever. I'm gonna move the Zen Garden. And we're gonna... What the hell is that? Alright, I'm gonna sell... Let me look at this real quick. Palm tree lamp, that's cool. What do you need today? I want to sell. Let me sell all my junk. My junk. Yes. 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 Sorry, Klaus. You gave that to me, but I don't really need it. Alright. Then we're gonna go... I thought Klaus was leaving us yesterday. He wasn't. Sold. Please come again. I don't need anything here, right? Nope. Okay. Thank you. You're welcome. Now we're gonna go see our people, and then we're gonna... First, let me go to resident services and fix all that. That way, we don't need that right now. Eloise isn't home. Yes, she is. Oh, there's gym class going on. Okay. I've only had one... Joey, y'all are tired. Where are y'all tired from? Okay. Here we go. Alright. Now, I kind of want to experiment with... My dang mother called, so I had to stop recording. Alright, so... what was I saying? Oh, I forgot what I was saying. This is the second day in a row the doctor's mask is in there. They're telling y'all to wear a mask. It shows respect, okay? Alright, so now we're gonna go, check this real quick. Alright, we're gonna go see our people, and then we're gonna... I don't want to lay my groundwork on my neighborhood, because that's more of a person thing. That's more of like a off-camera thing. Hey, girl. Oh, she's working out too. I want to chat. Yes. Girl, she's so understanding. God, she's great. Yeah, so today will probably just be a maintenance day. You know, do the same old stuff we always do. Pango's not in her house. I think Pango's a great addition to this island. You think she wants to leave? Hey, Zucker! You think Maddie wants to leave? Be yourself, keep it. Joey's stupid. He goes to a KK Slider concert. Okay. So. Joey, leave Maddie alone, okay? Thank you. Okay, so. Moving on down. Oh. So, I'm gonna do this off camera, maybe tonight. Flick, you're here. Flick, hey! Flick, hey! Yeah, I remember you. I remember. Yeah. How can I forget? Someone who likes insects. Something with more than 2 likes you like. Oh my battery's low. And that's anything. Okay, alright. Oh. And if you're interested in my art at all, just let me know. My commissions are open. Maybe another time, sir. Okay, so let me... He'll be here all night, all day. Okay, so I'm gonna lay the groundwork for the plots off camera tonight. We're gonna destroy Klaus's cliff right now. Klaus's cliff. And then we're gonna put a staircase over there. Hopefully it comes out the way I want it to come out, because... The ground looks less green, right? Because it's tall. I thought it was just seemed I think it's... We're gonna have to craft a lot of fences. No. Okay. Alright, and then we do this. And we do this. We do that. We do that. We do that. We do that. And we do that. Now... Hello? My controller died! Alright, so I'm gonna have to come back and play this later because my controller died and I need to let it charge. Okay, okay, so let me stop recording and let this charge. I will see you guys when my controller charges. Okay, we are back. My controller is charged, so crisis averted. This is a big fish and I want to catch it. Last time I tried catching something over here, I gave up. So, I'm on fishy. I'm on fishy. Oh my. Whatever, honestly, whatever. Alright, so. We're just gonna roll with the punches. What was I doing? Oh, we were going back over here by the neighborhood. Oh, girl! You cleaning up? What's up? Yep. Oh, me too, if I'm being honest. I could use a nap. We're not talking to him. We're not talking to him. Alright, so. Just around the river bend. Alright, so. Let me get my construction tool out. Start construction. What's that? A hat. Crazy funky hat. Oh, what's up? Here's that. Child, look like here in Nightly. We've been there. We done that. We see right through the funky hat. I could probably fit 2 or 3 more, plots here, I think. Maybe. I hope this is equal because I don't want to have to redo this. Let's get it started, huh? Let's get it started in here. Base keeps on running, running, and running, running, and running. I hope this is enough room. It might... Wait a second, let me see something. Well, if we're gonna move the Zen Garden, one sec. Dude! I don't think that's enough room, but we will test this out right now. No point in waiting. Let's go buy a staircase. Okay. Agnes, don't talk to him. Jeez. Hey. Sir. Sir. Oh my god. Construction cons. Oh, I read Constitution. What should I do? Let's talk about infrastructure. Let's chat. There are a number of things we could discuss, but which I have in mind. Bridges and inclines, sir. How can I help you? Let's build an incline. Let's make an incline. Yep. Yep. Yes. Yes. Yep. We're gonna go. I guess the stone staircase, right? But I put those everywhere. What about this? What about? We'll put this blue steel staircase, huh? I don't think I've ever used one of those. Sure, why not? Yup. I hope it fits. I really hope it does. I hope it fits. Let's go see what she has to say to me. Hey, girl. Girl. What's up? Oh, Emily, good afternoon. How can I help you today? Island of Owls. Yep. Oh. Huh. Okay, let's see. That's Gonzo speaking. He's old. Yeah. I know, I gotta do that. There's more things too many items lying around. I know. I gotta deal with that also. I gotta deal with a lot of things, Isabel, okay? I know. Isabel's like that friend where, like... No, wait, no. Isabel's like that friend that, like, you have, and, like, you don't want to hear what they have to say, and they say it anyway. Yeah. Decorate the entire island. Too much clutter. I got it. I got it. Yup. Nope. Bye. Alright, let me see. Please select from the following services. I want to buy... Why can't I buy this? Oh. Whatever. Sign off. Alright, let's go see. I hope this works, man. I really hope it does. I hope it does. Please work. No. Alright, so we gotta... Alright, what about now? Almost. Let me see if I... Okay, so if I do that... I mean, let me imagine it. Here's the thing. I'm gonna ruin the Zen Garden. Let me ruin that right now. We're gonna ruin the Zen Garden right now. Here we go, everybody. So then we can put... Oh, my brain is so big right now. Wait a second. Wait a second. Wait a second. Okay. Now, wait a second. This is what we're gonna do. Oh, that's a new bug. That red dragonfly. Huh. Oh, what is he doing? Hey. What is it? So, yeah. Because running 53 miles is good. I mean, it's probably great, but like... I'm not telling. I hate when they do this. Alright, so let me go finish what I was doing. Okay. Who's sweeping? Of course. Alright, now we're just gonna do this. And this. And this. And this. And then let me climb down here with my ladder. One sec. Okay, now back up we go. Up. Water. Okay, now we go hold, down, and then we do this, then we do that, we do that, we do that, and we do that, perfect, and then we do this, we start chopping this down. Right? Yeah. Okay. We're gonna go the whole length of the way. We're gonna do that maybe. Not what I wanted. Bear with me here. This is very entertaining, can't you tell? Why did my controller disconnect? So I started Marvel's Avengers. If you want to check that out, go ahead, check it out. I kind of played the first 2 hours of the game and forgot to freaking record it. No, it wasn't the first 2 hours, like the first hour and a half, maybe. Whatever. But yeah, check that out if you want to check that out. Follow me on Twitter at emilyyycos. That's EMILYYCOS. And yeah. still want to reach my goal of 5 subscribers. This will probably be a line of flowers. So please subscribe if you haven't. I encourage you to do that. I'm going on a journey here. Let me imagine it. Why does that look like that? I need to rethink it. What if I do this? Will that do anything? Alright, now. So we're gonna go the other way, and then we're gonna do this. Yep. I don't know in what world that means that. Okay. Wait a second. Let me see something if I do this real quick. Dang it! It goes over the... That's okay. Alright, I like that. Okay. Now we gotta go get the bells and give it to the Diglett over here. Alright, I'll be back, sir. You wait a second. How much is it? I think 228. Alright. Just around the river bend. Okay. Here we go. Let me go get my money. And then this will be it. We'll give this money, we'll give this to him. Call it there. Good episode. Tomorrow we will dismantle, or I could do it offline today. We will dismantle the Zen Garden. Okay. Bank. The bank. The bank. No. Ayo. Alright, let's go. Sign off. Okay. Yep. Yep. Okay, go. Oh my god, I do have a lot of stuff laying around. Right. Am I done building now? Yeah, I'm done. Let's go. Construction controls terminated. Yep, thank you, sir. Alright. Hello, Diglett. Hello. Yep. Because no one else donates. I'm the breadwinner of this island. Sure, I'll help. Tee-hee. Yes, donate. Next step, project completion. Perfect. Okay, so. Oh my god, my brain is... I'm just imagining what we're gonna do up there. Okay, I think that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this episode. We are making a lot of progress. I just lost my train of thought. We are making a lot of progress, and I kind of like the way this is turning out, because trust me, if I wasn't doing this and like recording it and like feeling like a sense of responsibility to like record, even though I feel like 2 people watch, I would have not been doing this. Like my commitment to this game was not there before. So thank you for allowing me to enjoy this game again. Yeah. like the video. Let me know if I'm doing a good job. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Peace out.